Are you a struggling influencer? I am too. And I came up with a solution that I'm going to share with you. So I had a couple of problems I wanted to solve. I wanted an easy way to give out all my different links to my different social profiles. And they're not all consistent. For instance, my YouTube is Mr. Chris Does Stuff, but my Twitter is Mr. Chris because Mr. Chris Does Stuff is too long of a handle. So yeah. So you got to explain each one, and then even when I get it, I'm like, all right, I know my YouTube's Mr. Chris Does Stuff, and I'm telling someone what my YouTube channel is. I have to go, it's Mr. Chris Does Stuff, all one word, lowercase, it's like the 4th or 5th result, because I'm a newer channel and I'm still growing. So I was like, all right, there's got to be a way to do this. And I looked at a bunch of solutions that are out there, and I'm like, here's what I want. I want a QR code that simply points to all of my different social sites, so I can give that out, show it on screen, whatever, and then people would be able to easily subscribe to my different platforms I'm on. But I couldn't find one, and the few I found that were kind of were more geared towards business, and they were over $100 a year. So here's what I came up with. This right here is my lock screen. So this is my QR code I made in my app. So if you scan that, you'll actually get a live demo, and you'll get to see all my different social platforms I'm on. Now let me go ahead and open up the app real quick. So here's where the app is. It's easy for you to manage multiple different QR codes. Now if we go into my QR code that I had you guys scan a second ago, you'll see this. So this is just a landing page, and this will work on any platform. So when you scan that, as you just noticed, you don't need any special software. It's just a regular QR code any device can scan, and that's going to take you to basically a landing page that has all of my social links, which I can update and modify and everything like that, so that's great. It's one central place. I can put that in my YouTube videos. I can put that in a Facebook post. I could put that on the side of my car. I could put it anywhere I want. It's your QR code. Now I'm going to make a bunch of videos of funny things I'm doing with QR codes to get me subscribers. So subscribe to the Mr. Chris Does Stuff. But yeah, check out QR Life. This tool is great. It's free for you guys for now. Like I said, it's my app. When you go to get it, it says Mr. Chris Does Stuff. If you put in the affiliate code, I know Mr. Chris, you'll get your first QR code for free. And one more thing that I added that's awesome is analytics. So here you can see how many scans there are, what platform they went to. So it's a great way to see where most of your audience is, and maybe that tells you a better place to put your time. If you have 10 times as many people on Facebook or Insta than somewhere else, maybe you want to shift your focus. I don't know, but it's information that I think it's useful to have. Well, I'm signing off now, but again, if you go to QR Life Me in the App Store on iOS or Android, you can get the app, and if you use the affiliate code I know Mr. Chris, that first QR code is free for life.